Guys, welcome back to the channel. New blog today. Just a quick side note, I will be posting non-related skate content here and there on this channel. Just whatever I'm doing in life, I want to share with y'all, so hopefully y'all think it's interesting. This is going to be a final project for my digital TV production class here at Palomar, and we were wanting to cover essential workers during the pandemic. So check it out, hope you like it, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. There it is. There it is.
While the medical field was on the front line during COVID, the need for medical equipment was never ending. The newly furnished machining program at Palomar is doing their best in teaching students how to meet the demand for those supplies.
As you saw with COVID, the supply and demand issues that we had with getting things from overseas, there is now this big demand that, okay, we now need to make this stuff here. So we need to make it cheaper. The way to make it cheaper is to automate it. And even when you're automating it, you still have to have people to operate those machines. So that industry is picking up because we need it to be produced here in America.
When Professor Michael Wright came to Palomar College 3 years ago, he brought with him decades of expertise in the manufacturing field. Decades that came with countless advancements in technology. Advancements that he's now bringing to his students and their classrooms.
We don't have any machines that are 10 years old or 12 years old. Everything that's here was bought in the last 2 years. So all of our testing equipment, all of our CNC equipment is all brand new. It's all the latest technology. Where we use essentially a robotic machine to make the cuts for us, as opposed to the old school way of machining, which was done by hand.
And even though Professor Wright's classrooms are the absolute state of the art, when it came to online learning, certain elements just couldn't cut it.
We can't teach these classes with COVID or online. So we had to cancel one semester of no on-campus classes, and then we were able to come back.
You know, we used to be stuck inside on our computers, and you couldn't really do anything except for, I mean, you could CAD and 3D model, but when it came to making that model and holding it and feeling the tolerances that you've created, it wasn't the same.
But they weren't stuck inside for too long. Soon after the global medical supplies began to run dangerously low, these oft-obscure tradespeople quickly became essential.
They deemed us essential because of the need for the medical supply industry, you know, machining parts for that. So they said manufacturing facilities needed machinists, so we were able to continue on campus.
But now that we're all back, you feel very capable. You feel like you have that power again. So that's the great part.
For Palomar Powered, I'm Kaylin Rogers.